everyone. This is Sachin. Here we will understand migrating IBM Web Experience Factory code to open source using GitHub Copilot. Firstly, we will understand what is the IBM Web Experience Factory. IBM Web Experience Factory is a powerful tool for rapidly building and deploying the web application. So before diving into the technical details, let's take a moment to understand the challenges and opportunities associated with migrating IBM Web Experience Factory code to open source technologies. So here are the some challenges. The challenges are legacy code-based dependencies and complexities, lack of compatibility with modern framework, manual code conversion process, and the opportunities are flexibility and scalability of open source technologies, reduce vendor locking and licensing cost, accelerate development cycle. Now we are moving further to step involved into migrating IBM Web Experience Factory code to open source using GitHub Copilot. So the step one is setting up the environment. The setting up environment means we have to check the access of GitHub Copilot with our IDs. Now the step 2 are analyzing the existing code base. Here we will identify pattern, dependencies and potential areas for optimization. Now the step 3 are leveraging GitHub Copilot for migration. So GitHub Copilot is an AI powered code completion tool that use machine learning to suggest code snippet and provide contextual recommendation as developer write code. Copilot can generate a accurate and relevant code suggestion for a wide range of programming languages. Now, generating boilerplate code. When starting a new project of migrating existing code to an open source platform, so developer need to create boilerplate code for setting up the project structure, configuration file, and other essential with GitHub Copilot. Now, converting web component to open source framework. If you have a web component for a displaying dynamic list of items fetched from a backend API from the Spring Boot, so Copilot can suggest how to implement the same functionality by using ReactJS, AngularJS, etc. So if we are using the ReactJS, then we have to write the line create function for fetching item list with commented line in the JS page. So it will automatically write the item list function. Now, the moving further, the Copilot can create a code through AI chat also. Copilot can also add the comment line through AI chat. If we use the commented line through the AI chat, so it will comment all the selected line with the proper description. Now, converting web backend services code to open source framework like Spring Boot. So we have to create a Spring Boot project with complete structure. Here we are assuming that the controller class is already created. Then we have to write a create service method for fetching the list object with commented line. So it will automatically write the fetch list method in the service class. Now the method will be ready to communicate between the controller and the service.